English speaking grammatically, practice 13 minutes as loud as you can.
You will have passed in 10th class exams by May 15th. May 15th kalla pass ayi untarani. They won't have sent out all the letters. Pampi untarani. They won't have sent out, very useful this sentence. They won't have sent out all the letters by now. ఇప్పటి వరకు కూడా పంపి ఉండరు అని అంటాం కదా మనం. They won't have sent all the letters by now. She will have bolted the door. She will have bolted the door by now. ఇవాటికే తాళం వేసి ఉండదండి. She will have bolted the door, or she will have bolted the gate. Next I can't have. I can't have cannot have here auxiliary. I can't have raised the money by then. అప్పుడు సంపాదించకపోవచ్చు అని. I can't have raised the money by then. Who can't have let him go without food. Who can't have let him go. Who can't have let him go right or not. Who can't have let him go without food till next Sunday. You can't have kept it a secret. Secret గా ఉంచలేకపోవచ్చు. You can't have kept it a secret for long. ఎక్కువ కాలం సీక్రెట్ గా ఉంచలేకపోవచ్చు. He can't have treated her badly. He can't have treated her badly. ఆమెనే బ్యాడ్ గా చూసి ఉండకపోవచ్చు. తను బ్యాడ్ గా చూసి ఉండకపోవచ్చు. She can't have shouted at him. ఆమె అరిచి ఉండకపోవచ్చు. She can't have shouted at him. She can't have it. Two auxiliaries, double auxiliaries here. She can't have shouted at him. I can't have disappeared. నేను కనిపించకపోవచ్చు. I can't have disappeared. They can't have examined your case. They can't have examined your case already. Next one very important. Could plus have. Two auxiliaries here. I could have helped her in the cooking. నేను కుకింగ్ లో హెల్ప్ చేసి ఉండాల్సిందే అని. I could have helped her in the cooking. కుకింగ్ లో హెల్ప్ చేసి ఉండాల్సిన రైట్. I couldn't have left the door open. డోర్ ని వదిలేసి ఉండాల్సింది కాదు. I couldn't have left the door open. ఆ డోర్ ని తెరిచి ఉండాల్సింది కాదు. Who could have given the baby